Good morning everyone. Welcome to the commerce lecture. In this class we are going to discuss about the profit and loss appropriation account. So in previous class you have already discussed two problems relating to this. So we have also shown the format. So as it is a very important for your examination, we'll solve at least 10 problems or 8 to 10 problems relating to this profit and loss appropriation account. So in previous class we have already discussed two problems. In this class let us discuss one more, two or three problems. Okay. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe that so you can get all the videos relating to these problems and you will get the notification daily as we upload our video. Okay, let's come to the problem. Prakash and Praveen commenced the business in partnership with a capital of rupees 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. So there are two partners it seems. Who? One is Prakash, another one is Praveen. Okay, these two partners has started one of the business with the capital of rupees how much? 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. Respectively means it is according to the Prakash and the Praveen. Prakash is for 50,000. Praveen that he has brought 40,000. Okay, on 1/1/2004 they agreed to share the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So when this ratio will be calculated? After we get the net profit or the net loss. They earned the profit of rupees 18,000. As I told in the earlier problem, during the year profit will be given in the problem, that is a profit will be given in the question that need to be taken on the credit side by net profit brought down before following. Interest on capital at 5% per annum. Interest on capital is given. Interest on drawing directly amount is given 300, 500. Okay. Yearly salary of Praveen is rupees 5,000. Yearly means annually. No need to multiply with the 12. Okay. Their drawing during the year amounted Prakash rupees 8,000, Praveen rupees 10,000. Drawing amount is given that we have to ignore here. Okay. Concentrate this problem. You will understand if you have not focused in the previous class. Firstly, we have to take the two columns. So, debit and credit. Okay. Particulars. Rupees. Particulars. Rupees. First, what we have to do? By net profit brought down. So, see in the problem, what is the net profit during the year? 18,000, right? They earned the profit of rupees 18,000. Okay, take down 18,000. Now come to the problem one by one. So capitals are given. We need only what? Interest on capital at 5% per annum, right? So where it will come on the debit side. 2. Interest on capital. How much? 5%. Who are the partners? Prakash. What is the capital of Prakash? 50,000 and 40,000 of Praveen. At 5% we have to calculate. Okay. So 50,000 into 5%. Calculate this. You will get 2,500. Okay. Next we have of the Praveen. What is the capital of Praveen? 40,000. 40,000 into 5%. How much it will be? 2,000. Okay. Next, come to the problem. So, interest on capital, first point over. Now, come to the second point, interest on drawing. Interest on drawing, directly amount has been given 300 and 500. 300 for Prakash, 500 is for the Praveen. Okay. So, where interest on capital will come? On the credit side by interest on drawing. Interest on drawings. So, for Prakash, 300, Praveen, 500. What is the total amount? 800. Okay. Now, let us come to problem once again. Interest on drawing finished. Next point. Yearly salary of Praveen. Yearly means per annum they have given. No need to multiply with the 12. 5,000 directly you have to take. Who is the partner? Praveen itself. Where salary will come? On the debit side. Right. So, to Praveen salary 5,000. Okay. Now, see the question. The drawing during the year amounted Prakash rupees 8,000, Praveen rupees 10,000. No need to take the drawings amount. We need only interest on drawing. So, that's it. Add this now total amounts. See where it will come highest. 18,000 plus 800. Here we have 2,500, 2,000, 5,000. Okay. 18,800 is the highest, right? 18,800. Take both the side. 18,800. Now net profit will come on the debit side. 2 net profit minus all these amounts. Okay. How much it will be? 9,300. So, now what you have to do? Share the ratio among the partners. So, who are the partners? Prakash and the Praveen. They are sharing in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2. Prakash, capital account, What is the profit we got? 9,300 into what is the ratio? 3 divided by 5. So calculate this, you will get 5,580. Okay, next, who is the partner you have? Praveen. Okay, Praveen, capital account 9,300 into what is the ratio of Praveen? 2. 2 divided by 5. So how much it will be? 3,720. So understood. This is the problems which is related to the profit and loss appropriation account. So in this heading, do not forget to write that is debit and credit. Here you need to write preparation of profit or loss appropriation account. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. See, Raju and Pandu share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Who are the partners? Raju and Pandu itself. They are sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their capitals were 30,000, 50,000 respectively. 30,000 is related to the Raju. 50,000 is related to the Pandu. Salary drawn by Raju and Pandu rupees 6,000 and 3,000 respectively. Okay. So this is nothing but the salary which is drawn. They have not told any per month, per annum is not given. Directly take 6,000 and 3,000. So this is also one of the adjustment which is related to the profit and loss account. When per month and per annum is not given, directly you have to take the salary amount. Allow 6% interest on capital. What is the percentage of interest on capital? 6%. Total profits during the year, that is during the year net profit brought down is 31,000. So here interest on drawing is not given. Okay. Now let us start to do solution. Preparation of profit or loss appropriation account. Debit, credit. Okay. Next, take down the columns. Particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. Okay. Now first what we have to take by net profit brought down. See, the net profit brought down is there in the problem? Yes, 31,000. 31,000. Next, what they have given? Interest on capital 6%. 2. Interest on capital. Who are the partners? Raju and Pandu. Raju. What is the amount of capital? 30,000, 50,000. So 30,000 into 6%. Pandu 50,000. 50,000 into 6%. Okay. So 18,000. Here it is 3,000. Now what we have to take next? Interest on drawing. Drawing amount is given. Salary drawn by Raju and Pandu. Salary is given, right? So 2 Raju salary to Pandu salary. What is the Raju salary? 6,000 and Pandu's salary is 3,000. Okay, that's it. Now interest on drawing is not given. So by interest on drawing, Raju nil, Pandu nil. Okay, you have to show nil. Only 5 things that will come here, right? Salary, commission, interest on capital, interest on drawing. Now add both the sides where it will come highest C. Always it will come on the credit side itself. 31,000. 31,000. Now less this amount. 17,200 to net profit carried down after adjustment. Okay, now you have to share the net profit among the partners equally. What is the ratio? C, 3:2. So share these among the partners 3:2. Who are the partners? 2 Raju capital account, 17,200 into 3 divided by 5. 2 Pandu capital account, 17,200 into 2 divided by 5. How we will get the 5? 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. So you can take the amount in the inner column. I don't have space. I'll take here 10,320, 6,880. Okay, this is the problem which is related to the fourth problem. Okay. So by this you have understood, I think. Further we'll go with this. In this we have one adjustment. That is, what is that? Salary drawn by the Raju and Pandu. They have not given whether per month or per annum. Directly you have to take this amount. Okay. In every problem further here we'll see the adjustments. Okay. So concentrate on this video fully so you can understand it, and if you have understood, you will not be able to get any confusions in the exams. Okay, you can attain this very well and can get 5 marks very easily. Okay, 5 or 6 marks. Then if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so you can get all the videos related to the illustration as well as solutions. And in the further class, we'll discuss 2-3 problems still on this profit and loss appropriation. Let us see, is there any further adjustments are there. Thank you.